Hi guys! Happy Read Across America Day! Today I'm going to read Chewy Louie by Howie Schneider. This was my daughter's favorite book, can you tell? One day my father brought home a little black puppy. He was very cute and always hungry. We called him Chewy Louie. He ate everything we put in his bowl. Then he ate the bowl. My mother was very worried. "He'll get sick," she said. "He won't get sick," my father said. "He's just a puppy." Then he bought Louie a new bowl. That one didn't make him sick either. Louie slept with me in my bed at night when he wasn't eating my toys. Louie ate my trains before they reached the station. Then he ate the station. My mother was very worried. My father said he would buy me a new set of trains. "He's just a puppy," he said. One day, Louie started to eat the back porch. My mother was horrified. Here he is eating the back porch. There we go. My father was a little concerned, too. "That's some puppy," he said. We decided to take Louie to a vet. The vet said to feed him more. "He's just a growing puppy," he said. Then he gave us the bill. That night, my father and mother sat down to figure out what to do. I was afraid they were going to give Louie away. My father hired a construction crew to repair the house. My birthday party was coming up soon, and my mother wanted the place to look nice. "What a cute puppy," said one of the workmen. They went inside to talk to my father about the job. What do you think's going to happen? Look at these. Look at that. Over here. Think Louie's going to eat the wood? I think you're right. Then they came back out and saw their truck. Then they quit the job. My father was furious. I thought he was really going to send Louie away this time. He decided to hire a trainer. There's the truck quitting. There's the dad deciding, I think we need to hire a professional. The trainer arrived the next day and immediately went to work. He says, "Sit." "No, no, no. Bad, bad dog, bad dog, bad dog. No, 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 no. Bad dog, bad. Stop that." And so did Louie. Then my father had to hire another trainer. She brought a guitar along and sang songs to Louie about the error of his ways. How do you think that's going to work out? I think Louie liked her songs very much, but he really loved her guitar. We didn't have any more time to worry about Louie now. My birthday party was tomorrow, and we all had to work hard to fix the place up. My mother wanted the party to be a big success. But instead, all her worst fears came true. Louie was horrible. Any of you have a dog like Louie? I woke up the next morning feeling miserable. I knew now that we couldn't keep Louie. I decided to play one last game of fetch with him. Although it wasn't really fetch. I just threw the sticks and Louie ate them. But not today. Louie brought the stick back today. "Hey, Dad!" I shouted. "Look at Louie! He's not chewing anymore!" Even my mother was impressed. Louie was changing. He was getting older and bigger every day. He didn't even eat my toys anymore. My mother still worried. "Do you think he stopped chewing for good?" she asked. "Of course," said my father. "I don't know. What do you think?" He's not a puppy anymore. Whoop. The end. I hope you enjoyed that book, and I hope you have fun reading today. Bye, everyone.